festival ingding plikap rasir kep pini festival kenceng lo lasi pini bangai rong tong ave penap tari dikrep chokar nisi penap si rong tong doi pini bangai tarik rep hol hang tarik rep holo lasi ni non la dagai la bang tawar klok lo yo tawar klok la bang min get lo non ni la dak pen pini ko pipi mah pini ketang mang we pin lang bon antan ni pini napak lang po pini video bangai just pini bangai kitang kris yong lang bon di pini napak lang po Ada pipi ni lahai dua ya, labangai kimu lo, kimu pini sia sebenarnya yang selang labangai kimu lo. Ini labangai citung, labangai citung. La kido ke lagi la, thik la min get long adak feel long sedolo lahai ke. Labangai Chonghok Proxinok ko labangai long leng pum labangai long leng pum lo đó còn bèn đó tuan anda pini ke 15 February KYF ke cheng ni lo daga veterinary department atum la bangai mithan pini hai apa ko mama se kai thek mala hai tuma ladak non pak lang bom la hai ge ladak này pak lang bom no
Kidu with the honor Day1 therapy. It's a Dashan breed, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful breed, a beautiful dog with a very glossy skin and very inquisitive. So trying to impress the judges. Kinu is trying to impress the judges. Your dog once more for the final show. And Miss Rimbi Rongpipi, Miss Rimbi Rongpipi, Miss Jasmine Intipi. The judges are going to examine the dogs for the final round. So I request Miss Rimbi and Miss Rimbi. So ladies and gentlemen, these are from the medium breed category. To get introduced, so the Dashan being so proudly, not giving attention to anyone. So this is Miss Jasmine Intipi with her dog on the back of her scooty, very excited. So please give a huge round of applause to Miss Jasmine Intipi. The dog and the owner, both of them very comfortable. So thank you, Miss Jasmine. That was wonderful. Please give a huge. With the owner Durga Guru. Next contestant will be Dr. Lokhimi examining rapport. We are trying to have an interaction with the owner.
Come, Toto, come. A breed name is Shih Tzu. Non chepate ponake Hirjir Hanse.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Hirjir has participated in the large breed also. So see the bond between the two dogs. The large breed is also coming along with the small breed. So the owner, Miss Hirjir, she is very happy with her dog. It's a Shih Tzu breed, 4 months old. The pet name is Toto. So ladies and gentlemen, we have another stall from Sky EC. So the owners, the pet owners can kindly visit their stall and have information about their wide range of categories. So ladies and gentlemen, Toto, you can't see its eyes, but you can see the tongue coming out. So Toto is very happy. Thank you, Miss Hirjir. So all the winners are kindly requested to side as we are going to give away the prizes of Bogi. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the winner of the... I request our respected EM sir to kindly give away the first prize to Miss Kaviteron P for her pet Bogi. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the proud winner of the large breed category. So next we have the second prize winner, Sophie, Miss Chairman, Block Development Board. So ladies and gentlemen, she is Miss Hirjir Hansi P, the proud winner, second prize winner, and her dog name is Sophie. Please give a huge round of applause to Miss Hirjir Hansi P. And the prize will be given away by Srijut Rangsina Hanse, Social Worker. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to Leo, third prize winner of the large breed category. Thank you so much.
Leo.
Next, the second prize goes to Tiso sir and Srijut Rangsina Hanse sir to kindly again give away the prizes. So I request our respected EM sir to kindly give away the prize to Chloe, the first prize winner of the medium breed category. So ladies and gentlemen, she is Miss Jasmine Inkipi along with her dog Chloe, the proud winner, first prize winner of the medium breed category. Congratulations to Miss Jasmine. Thank you. Also a special hamper from the Sky EC to the first prize winner, a special hamper from Sky, the second prize, Puchi. I would like to request Srijut Samsing Tiso sir, Chairman, Block Development Board, to kindly give away the prize. Ladies and gentlemen, Puchi, the second prize winner of the medium breed category. Also a gift hamper from Sky EC has been given to the second prize winner. Thank you. Special hamper has been sponsored by the Sky EC company to the winner. Thank you.
To deliver trophy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 3 kg dog feed has been sponsored by Himalaya Company, and the special gift hamper has been sponsored by Sky EC Company. So congratulations to the third prize winner, Mrs. Jaya, with her puppy.
Lhasa Apso. Small breed category. Second goes to Lhasa Apso. Honors name Dr.
Congratulations to the second prize winner, Dr. Lokshmi Beki. Her pet, Lasha, as well as the owner, Dr. Lokshmi Beki. They are the proud winner for the second prize in the small breed category. Thank you.
Prize Kimu. Kimu. Honors name Damian Derapi. Small breed category.
Special gift hamper has been sponsored by the Sky EC Company. You are the proud owner of the proud dog, a very proudy dog. Congratulations.
Odu. Kinu. Rambo. Punchi. Chloe. Leo. Sapphire. Sophie. And Bogie. Alang itu si best of the best along betul. Kijut si cepat kontak mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this will be the final show. This will be the final show off for the best of the best prize. A special hamper and a 1 kg dog food will be given by the Himalaya Company to the best of the best. Also,
Video item lo.
And since this is first time, I think most of the dog owners they are not prepared, and wide publicity also is needed. So thank you very much all the staffs of this department for taking this beautiful initiative, and we hope for coming years, since we have started for the first time this year, and this will be continued. And I know in diphu there are hundreds of varieties of dogs. Nowadays, having pets in the families, it has become a fashion-like. So some families are there rearing dogs, some cats, and different types of animals. Unlike American also is even pig also is they are like big pet, you know. So, but here since we have traditionally we here, I think dog and cat is enough. And from we will be organizing in widely, and this platform also we have to make it quite larger so that they can perform and show their demonstration. And I request all the dog owners from next year, you do practice, give training so that they can at least demonstrate as the owner directs the pet perform something, and it will be judged from there. Because dog is also is an intelligent animal, very intelligent, because they follow the directions of owner. Even the this one stray dogs also is they performs very good.
Bạc lang EZS price 5 EZS lo non mangai ti jut lo jut EZS lo pini ke chengsi 49 Karbi Youth Festival taralangso pini ke chengsi ani lo pini veterinary department pen pini ke chengsi hibi pon lagai all breed dog show la da khala ya pini ke chengsi lo sila tum mangai ani kan wang bi pon bom po la pan su se pa pon bom po maning ka Karbi Youth Festival keceng sia ni pini bang rong ketong abe penap dari kret chokan ni bang sirong ketong ni kasi kedoan Karbi sulang dora tamil ada ke inding kep kep Karbi Youth Festival isunin su rong aja along ladang nasi tong don aja thasi pun thanda Karbi ang long orat mane koting jedam hana pacini lo rong ketong lama kang thuriya thai made hai ta non sikit dang lok lang ye box lah hai ta non sikit dang lok lang sound system ta ada bang feel up ina ada lama kang thurjia thai lo ta dom deng tha o Karbian po ada kilona thai lo da ga tang te pin lang dona tum pini ya tarik grip pho thang tarik grip pho lo ma ni lo ma di ho ani kan bang kedam tang ani kan so hai di pini tarik grip pho ke pini ke rong ke tong lo ta pini nge indeng tiket rasir tiket pini nikan suri ko ra ke thoma nikan mang pini bang rong ke tong ka dia lo pendap thang tarik grip pho kan ni mang se pendap mang se rong ke tong ka do ko non mang se pini hai decoration hai mai non mang se claim lok la ka sinang ni tum la hong jai stis nang tum dai pu ta mi hala pu hong jai stis bang nang tum pining mang la I love taralangso podong bang la da bang bi bidet lo nut heng pia na thu ke dam ta wara thu la pu adung sadak se bi hong jai stis bang pining mang ada bang di lifetime lo ne bi mane ada bang la tum da hong jai stis na da ka chobanai pa mi ka lo tum pining kan nang la sinang tum la nut heng pi long nang tum dami pu ta mi hadi ada da ke inut pen mane inut ke dam pen si mane e phong ke dam ne si tiket apa sih sanang tum tiket yang kan yang an mati kenang tum halat dak lulut long le ladak la gap kilut pot hai long halat ladak bang si tiket kantar do kok lo tiket inut pen tiket kan luk long kai nang tum la luk hem pia long pada minang tum hadak tami pali dam long ko don tum la si nang le tum neli channel subscribe tum an nang pada subscribe tha channel kini tum an nang long te อนในบางกุลัดกินรถเลยเหรอนอนกุลัดรถบอมเหรอพี่ปิ้นหลังมันกุลัดตาปิ้นเด็อยู่ปิ้นยังไงพี่ปิ้นหลังมันเนี่ยแล้วก็ปีนี้สับกุลาดันได้ให้ดีปีนี้มันเนี่ยนวดให้นี่ตรงบางเราให้ตรงบางกับเจ้าคนนี้เราให้ตรงบางเรามันเนี่ยซับตรงบางกับปีนี้บางเป็นเปี้ยนหนังเดี๋ยวบางพี่ตรงซีอ่องหนังให้ตรงบางให้เราซับบางเป็นเปี้ยนละตัดทับตรงบางเราพี่ปิ้นนั่งให้เรามันอะไรอยู่กูเรามันนั่งร่างไปปิ้นนั่งอะไรอยู่เดี๋ยวเป็นนับdari kecok pendangnyaเป็นนับbang itu piku ang ton bang lapu jurnal akhirnyaเห็นเป็นกระดังต้มดากจิปฏิยต้มตามันเป็นนับนุ่งวีสิมันนั่งเลยจับพินิจdari kecokลงมาดีแล้วได้บีพันก็อยู่น้องสิเจงให้บนได้ล็อกๆละให้เจงเหรอเจงน้องสิร้องให้วิดล็อกๆละlà đa gron rồi đi bơi chèn và nó sẽ có ngày việc lọt lọt đấy thế cả chèn cái bốn nay bạc cảแต่สิทีđứng đi
ông có biết ăn mà hin tao mi phải mình
lẹ lẹ glung đi xi men bao lâu một lầnเดี๋ยวน้องสิวิดล็อกๆล่างอยู่รอlà xi men là hai thangวิดเดียนเด็ดลุกลงเด้งที่เจงซ้อนมาละให้รองวิดปอขี้อีกมาให้แต่วิดปอละดาlàขี้อีกละให้วิดทางเด็ดเด้งที่ละดาก็จำไปเรียกทอนารุมแล้วก็วิดปออาจารย์ปุ่นน้อยละให้แกปีนี้แกเจงสิแต่เล็กๆพอนี่รองแกตองแต่ปาวิเดตลังไม่ได้ดีเป็นนับสิรองแกตองปาดูจีละสิละดักละจำเป็นเรียกธนาร่วมลองละให้บีเรียบปันสิมันในแหล่งนี้ปุ๊